If you think just having your shop's name and phone number listed on Google is enough to get cars in your bays, then you are leaving thousands of dollars on your table every single month. The number one free auto repair shop marketing move that most independent shops are completely ignoring has nothing to do with buying ads, changing your website, or hiring an agency. It's sitting right in front of you and it costs $0. And your competitors are beating you to it right now because they're putting in 15 minutes of effort a week while your profile is gathering digital dust. If you think just having your shop's name and phone number listed on Google is enough to get cars in your bays, then you are leaving thousands of dollars on your table every single month. I'm Brad Hurlock, host of the Garage Grit podcast and co-founder of AA Shop Marketing. We look at hundreds of shops across the country, and the biggest missed opportunity we see every single day is an abandoned Google business profile. Shop owners treat it like a static billboard. They set it up 5 years ago. They verified the address. They haven't logged back in since. Or maybe, I hear this pretty often, we went to a coaching seminar or a conference and a couple of years ago, and I got motivated. I logged in. I uploaded 5 photos, and I haven't touched it since. Guys, that doesn't cut it. Google does not reward shops that just exist. Google rewards shops that are active. Think about it this way. Think about it like your actual physical shop. See, on episode 69 of the Garage Grid podcast, the panel even talked about how keeping your shop bay doors open sometimes in some areas is a real world call to action. Even if sometimes you close the doors to keep the heat on or to keep the AC on, and people might drive right past thinking you're closed. And that's just how some areas work. And there it is. Your online presence is the exact same way. If you don't keep your digital bay doors open by staying active on your Google profile, then Google assumes you're closed. And it pushes your ranking down below the guy down the street who's actually paying even a little bit more attention than you are. Winning the local SEO game and ranking at the top of Google Maps comes down to regular weekly activity, and it does not take hours of your time. If you're managing your own auto repair shop marketing, you need a basic weekly routine. First, stop unloading generic stock photos or only posting pictures of those rare exotic cars that are fun, that roll in once a year. Take out your phone, walk around the shop, snap the photos of your bread and butter vehicles that you actually service every single day. Get your team, your service advisors, your techs, all in the same frame. Real live action shots of them doing the work, enjoying the work, real people, real bays, real work. Second, reply to the reviews as often as possible. Now, you don't need to engage with the complete nut jobs that just want to start an argument and a fight online. If you want to see how other shop owners navigate those headaches, though, if you want to kind of get some ideas, then check out episode 77 of the Garage Grit podcast, where we had a great panel conversation with 4 different shop owners talking about how they handle bad reviews, which will give you a few different ideas or approaches on how you can find the style that actually fits you. But for your normal everyday customers, a quick response shows Google and your future clients that you actually care. Third, use the updates feature to let people know what's happening at the shop this week, whether that's a seasonal fluid check or just a reminder that your alignment rack is open. Doing this once isn't just going to fix your car count. It's the consistency that builds your local SEO power and makes you the recommended answer in the AI search over time. Now, if you want to know exactly how your current online presence looks to Google compared to the other shops in your town, then let us do the heavy lifting for you. We'll run the data. We'll look at your local market. We'll show you exactly what's holding you back. And then you can grab that free breakdown at addi.me/jumpstart. That's addi.me/jumpstart. Because at the end of the day, auto repair shop digital marketing isn't about buying one of those one-off services. It's every single shop needs local SEO, an active Google business profile, a strong website content, fresh reviews, accurate citations, local service ads, social media, giving you all the AI visibility that you need. The trick isn't choosing between them. It's managing how much each of your specific shop needs right now to keep your bays full. That's digital marketing management. That's AA Shop Marketing. And for those who clicked in late or missed it at the top, I'm Brad Hurlock, host of the Garage Grit podcast and co-owner of AA Shop Marketing. head over to addi.me/fuel for more practical auto repair shop digital marketing insights. Again, addi.me/fuel for more practical auto repair shop and digital marketing insights for your shop.